Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Ceratosaurus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Ceratosaurus, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up. Then right inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and then come back. Then right inside of here, I'm going to put a little black dot. Next, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve around here. I'm also going to make a little line underneath the eye for like a little wrinkle. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. Then I'm going to come down for kind of like the eyebrow. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. And then I'm going to bring this down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here with a curve. Then we're going to come down, back up, and down. For the nose, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve back. Then I'll make another line that's going to curve around here. Now for the bottom of the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to come down and over. Then we're going to come down. We'll bring this up. We'll go down again, and then bring it up here for the jaw. Now right inside of here, let's make some long kind of pointed teeth sticking out of the bottom. And we'll just make these little kind of like V shapes all around here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down here on the face. And then I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line right here. There's going to be a little horn up here, so I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up to a point and then down. Now back here by the jaw, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come in and then curve up to here. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to come down. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over to here, and then I'm going to bring this line down here. And you see I left some little spaces in here too, because we're going to put some bumps and spikes back here. Now, starting up here for the neck, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then up. Go down and up again, and then right over. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. Then a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to a point and then up. Then we'll bring this down to another point and up. And then one more right here and we'll curve it in. Next, I'm going to bring this line back and then we're going to come up here. We'll just connect this. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line for the body. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to angle it back for the leg. Bring this line down at an angle. Bring this line out. It's going to come down to a point and then back. We'll make this come down to a smaller point and then over. Then I'm actually going to bring this line back up for a little indentation in the foot. We'll bring this line over, and then we'll kind of come up at an angle. I'm going to bring this line back and then in. Then we're going to curve this up. We'll curve this line up here. Then I'm going to make a couple little wrinkle lines. And then I'm going to bring this line down here to a point for the tail. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down, and then we're going to kind of angle it. I'm going to bring this line over and down to a point. I'll make a line that comes down here. Then I'm just going to bring this line right down to here for the other hand. Now, right across the back, I'm going to add some spikes. So I'm just going to kind of add these bumpy, little kind of wavy spikes. And I'm going to keep these pretty much about the same size right across the back here. So we're just going to go all the way across here. And I'm going to keep adding these. And then when I get to about the middle of the tail, then I'm going to stop. So I'll bring them right to about here. Next, I'm going to bring some little broken lines right here. And then a couple little lines here. And then a few little lines right by the legs. I'm going to make a little broken line here and one here. And then a couple little lines underneath the jaw. I want to put a little broken line right here. And then a couple little detail lines there. Then let's just kind of bring some little lines up right by the mouth here. I'm going to make a little line here and then a couple lines here. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines that kind of curve on here for like the knees. We'll make some little curved lines right where the claws are going to be on the hands and on the feet. And we'll make some little kind of broken lines right around here too. A few little extra lines on the legs. Then a couple lines kind of coming down the back and on the side here, with maybe a few lines kind of show where the ribs are. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Ceratosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.